Are you struggling to structure your blog post effectively? Today I'll show you a method for outlining a blog post, ensuring your writing is organized and impactful. First, start with choosing a topic. Pick a subject that interests you and will engage your audience. Once you have your topic, it's time for research. Gather information, read articles, and watch videos to collect key points and insights. Next, create your outline. Begin with a strong introduction to grab your reader's attention. Clearly state the main topic and what readers can expect. Follow this with several main points and headings. For each heading, include supporting details or subpoints. This helps break down the content into manageable sections. A quick tip: organize information with bullet points or numbered lists. This makes your content more readable and easier to follow. Also consider using short paragraphs to maintain readers' attention. Long blocks of text can be overwhelming and deter readers. Incorporate images, infographics, and videos to break up text and add visual interest. Then work on your conclusion. Summarize the main points and provide a clear call to action, encouraging readers to engage further with your content. After writing, thoroughly edit and proofread your post. This ensures your content is clear, concise, and free of errors. Incorporate keywords naturally throughout your post. This helps improve your search engine ranking and attracts more readers. Following these tips can make your blog writing process more efficient and your posts more structured. Give it a try and watch your content improve. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you next time.